You could be sleeping next to an emotional traitor. Phrase 1, I feel disconnected. What it really means and how it's the end, not the beginning. Phrase 2, I need time for myself. Why this is often code for wanting emotional/physical freedom with someone else. Phrase 3, not everything has to be physical. The hidden message behind this shift away from intimacy. Theme, how subtle withdrawal begins and why men miss it. Part 2, the mind games that shift the blame. Phrase 4, you've changed too. How this creates an emotional alibi for her behavior. Phrase 5, I don't want to talk right now, I'm tired. How this tiredness is selective and a tactic for disengagement. Theme, how she reframes the relationship to make you feel guilty, while she distances herself. Recap of the 7 dangerous phrases, call to self-respect, and why ignoring them makes you complicit. Final call to action, wake up, reclaim your dignity, and stop being the last to know.